Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. So, you are running more than one tax ID. For example, you have one or more and you want to add it. If you operate multiple entities or need to update records on Etsy, you can add or update your taxpayer ID details. So in today's small tutorial, we're going to talk about how to add an additional taxpayer ID on Etsy, fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. So first and first, make sure you open your device, you are fully connected to the internet, phone or basically desktop is fine. Just go through all of this and go through Etsy.com. We're gonna open the website here, log in using our email address and password, look for Shop Manager in the top right corner, tap on it, look for finances, legal and tax information, choose add taxpayer ID or update tax details. Then enter the additional ID information, confirm your legal business name, then click on submit. Wait for Etsy's verification review. As for like a bonus tips, make sure the ID matches the correct business entity, then double check numbers before submitting. Contact a tax professional if unsure which ID to use. So, all of the important informations are within the Shop Manager. All you're gonna do, log in, go through the Shop Manager again, look for any legal, finances, tax informations. So there you will be able to see every detail about your shop. You will be able to add whatever you want, and that's it. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video.